everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you these very little, very beautiful, very cute crochet bunny appliques. I really loved making these, dear friends. It is a very nice idea for Easter. You can make many in one day. The pattern is so easy. You can sew up these on your crochet creations. For example, you can sew up these on baby blankets, on baby garments, or you can sew up these your sweaters, your cardigans, your hats, bags, anything you can imagine. You can also put them together side by side like this. You can connect these with a rope and you can use this as a crochet bunny bunting, crochet bunny garland. You can ornament your house during Easter time with this kind of bunny garlands, dear friends. Okay, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. If you have this kind of scrap yarns, this project is very nice because for each bunny we are using very little yarn. For this reason, it's a very nice scrap yarn project. And I'm using 3mm hook for this project. I'm choosing this color. Whatever color you have, you can choose, dear friends. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. We are starting by making magic ring. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. After making 3 chains, I am going to make half triple crochet in this ring. 2 times yarn over. I am making like this and inserting my hook in the ring. First of all, I will pull these 2 loops like this, and then I will pull the other 3 loops all together in one time like this. I made 1 half triple crochet. 2 times yarn over. I am making like this, inserting my hook in the same ring, yarn over, pull through. First of all, I am going to pull through these 2 loops like this, and then I will pull through these 3 loops in one time. I made 2 half triple crochet. Now I am not counting the first 3 chains. I am counting only these half triple crochet. Like this, we are going to make 6 half triple crochet, dear friends. Once again, I am going to show you. 2 times yarn over I made, inserting my hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through. I made yarn over again, and I will pull through only these 2 loops, and then I am making yarn over again. I am going to make these 3 loops all together in one time, pull through like this. Now I have 3 half triple crochet, dear friends. Like this, we are going to make 3 more half triple crochet. There will be totally 6 half triple crochet in this ring. As I told you before, I am not counting the first 3 chains. Okay, let's make 3 half triple crochet more. Yes, I made 3 half triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make a picot. I am inserting my hook in these loops in front of the stitches. Let me show you. Look. There are 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through. I am making a slip stitch. We made a picot like this. 2 times yarn over. We are going to go on making a half triple crochets. We are going to make this time 9 pieces of half triple crochet. 2 loops. First of all, I am making pull through. Now there are 3 loops. Yarn over. I am making all them through together in one time. I made 1/2 triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space. 2 loops first of all, and then I am making pull through the rest of 3 loops like this. It's been 2. Once again I'm showing. It's been 3. Like this you are making totally 9 half triple crochet, dear friends. We made now 3 half triple crochet, and you are making 6 more half triple crochet. Like this, there are totally 9 half triple crochet will be available in this ring. Okay, let's complete 9 half triple crochet. I completed 9 half triple crochet after the picot. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, dear friends, now we are going to close this circle. For this reason, I am pulling the yarn end. I am just leaving a small space like this. I'm not pulling completely, I mean. Now I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains. You know, we made 3 chains when starting this project. I am inserting my hook at top, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, and our first row is finished like this. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. 2 times yarn over. I am going to make a half triple crochet in this space you see here. I am inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through. First of all, I am making 2 loops together. There are now 3 loops on the hook. I am making yarn over. I will pull all them through together in one time. I made 1 half triple crochet like this. 2 times yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch space, and this time I am making a triple crochet. 2 by 2 I will make pull through. First of all, I am making these 2 loops together. Later on, I'm making pull through the other 2 loops together. Now there are 2 loops on the hook, and now I am making pull through these 2 loops together in one time, like this. I am making 2 times yarn over. Now I am going to the following stitch, and in this stitch I am going to make 1 triple crochet like this. 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3. We are making 3 times pull through. I am making 2 times yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch, and this time I am making 1 half triple crochet. 2 loops together. First of all, I am making pull through. There are now 3 loops on the hook. Now I am making pull through them all together in one time. I made 1 half triple crochet in this stitch. It's been like this. By making these ones, we finished the head of the bunny. First of all, with this round, we made the main body of the rabbit and then the tail, and we finished the head. From now on, we are going to make these ears. Now we are making 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. I am making yarn over. I am leaving this first chain, going to the following, and making a half double crochet in there. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again. I am pulling all them through together. I made a half double crochet. Yarn over. I am going to the next chain and making a double crochet. yarn over, I am going to the next chain and making another double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the next stitch and making another double crochet. One moment, like this. Okay, totally we made 3 double crochet one by one. I am making yarn over, I am going to the following chain stitch and making a half double crochet this time, like this. Now I am in the last stitch. In this last stitch I am making a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, making a single crochet. We finished one of the ear of the rabbit. It's been like this. We are going to make the other ear. We are going to repeat the same thing. I mean, first of all, we are making 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I am leaving the first stitch, going to the other, and making a half double crochet in this stitch. One moment, let me show you again. Like this. Making a half double crochet. Yarn over, going to the next stitch, making a double crochet. Going to the next stitch, making another double crochet. Yarn over, going to the next stitch, making another double crochet. Totally 3 double crochet we made. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making a half double crochet. I am going to the last stitch and making a single stitch like this. We finished the ears. Now we are going to fix this ear. I am inserting my hook in this space here and making a slip stitch. And I am making 1 chain to fix the yarn and cutting the yarn. Now we are going to hide these yarn ends. Our project is finished. As you see, it is very easy. I also do my best to explain everything in detail, especially considering the very crochet beginners. First of all, I am going to fix the yarn end of the magic ring. It is important, otherwise the center will get bigger. I'm pulling a bit. I'm using a darning needle. I will pull this yarn end through the stitches by the help of the darning needle. A few times I am going to do this. And I am doing the same thing to the other opposite side in order to fix the yarn end well. It is enough, dear friends. Now we can cut the yarn. I am going to fix this other yarn end, but this time I'm not going to use the darning needle because the yarn end is small. I'm going to use a small size hook in order to hide this small yarn end. This is 1.5 millimeters hook. I will hide the smaller yarn end with the help of the small size hook. It is easier. A few times I'm going to pull through the yarn end through the stitches. and cutting the last yarn end, and we are finishing our project totally. It is totally finished, dear friends. So easy, so cute. I really loved it. Hope you also enjoyed it. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you enjoyed making these very little crochet bunnies. I'm sure you are going to make beautiful buntings, beautiful garlands by making many with these crochet rabbits. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.